Hey everybody, this is Justin from Remodelaholic. Um, we just wanted to give you an update what's been going on with all of the different projects we've been working on. We haven't posted a lot of videos lately, and there's a reason behind that. We've been working on a lot of different things. Right now, I'm in the basement of our house, and I wanted to show you how we've been upgrading it and changing it and making it finished the way we want it. So there are a lot of cool things I wanted to show you. Let's get to it. I'm going to camera here and give you a view of where we're at. So to start off, we're working on the stairway. This used to be carpet, and we ripped all that carpet out. It was like 50-year-old carpet. And now we're working on making it ready for more carpet, but we have to make some changes to these stairs because we noticed this stair is really short, and if we go up here, that top stair is really tall. We ended up raising the floor in the main floor of the house, and so it caused some problems with the height of the stairs. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to take each stair and raise them up 2 inches, and that's going to resolve my issue of having a tall stair up top because of the floor change and a short bottom stair. So this is also, we've been working on some electrical. We patched some things. We're getting this space ready to have paint on it and a nice clean white finish to match the rest of the house that we've got going on. Now as you come down the stairs, we've done a lot of electrical work, we've done a lot of plumbing, and we're getting to the point where we are painting the walls, and it's really exciting. We decided to expose the ceiling in some of the rooms in the basement because the ceiling height at the bottom of the floor joist is 7 feet, and we wanted the feeling of the typical 8 feet. So we decided to remove the ceiling and expose it. And these floor joists are actually, they're 2 inches thick, and they've got some really cool texture to it. So we decided to go through and sand it all and make a feature out of it. We've also, because we've exposed the floor joists, we have sprayed them with a fire retardant just to reduce how quick these would get on fire, because we don't want to have any issues. Yes, we've exposed the wood, and the drywall that was there before would have protected that a lot more, but it looks so cool the way that we exposed the ceiling. We're just so proud of it. And another tricky thing that has been very time consuming is taking the wall and extending it up into these areas in between the floor joists. So we've been really busy working on getting this room cleaned up and ready for carpet. We ran new wiring, we have plumbing, old galvanized plumbing we used to have coming through this room, and that's why we were a little hesitant before to drop the ceiling. But you could see right here we've had notches of old galvanized pipe running through there. So we've replumbed the house, and so back behind this wall here we have all the plumbing and PEX pipe. This is pretty cool. We've been working on building this in as a little nook for TV and possibly piano. We're still not sure. We're still working on deciding what that's going to be. We have added new doors. These are solid birch doors. We've made some changes with the old doors, and so we've upgraded to those. This is another room we've been working in. In this room, we have 2 new windows that we've ordered. They're coming, so we're waiting on those windows before we finish up doing drywall trim around the windows. And so we've only painted a portion of it. We're trying to move forward with what we can while we're waiting for other things. So this is a really another cool room, just because we've exposed the ceiling, and we love how it turned out. It's just been a lot of work, but it's exciting. Here's this we've added. This wall actually used to be back in here, and we've done a lot of work to improve this space. It used to be a scary closet with just a toilet, but we've added an amazing big bathtub. And so we've got tile that we're going to be doing in there eventually. I won't show you too much more of that because I want it to be more of a surprise. But anyway, we've been really busy working in our basement, trying to finish up like 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms plus a storage room, which I've been doing a lot of framing in and trying to get that drywalled so we can get all the drywall and the messy stuff done. We've actually ordered some carpet, and that's coming pretty soon. So we wanted to move forward with what we can to get ready for carpet. Anyway, I wanted to every once in a while jump in and just put a video up and show everybody the progress of what's been going on around our house. We do love producing videos. It takes a lot of time and effort, so we're trying to find ways to just share what we're doing, because we think it's pretty cool. I don't know, you tell us, let us know in the comments, what do you think about the exposed ceiling that we have going on? And we do have some cool lights. These are just temporary lights that are hanging up here, but we have some cool lights that we're going to string in between the floor joists, which will be at another day. But anyway, we're excited to get a video up, show you guys what's going on, and I'll show you some more in the next video. But until then, just know that we're still here, we're still working hard, and anyway, have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like if this is something you want to keep watching and see some updates. I have a lot of different things I want to share with how I've been doing things. So please ask questions, share it in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.